High earners, you're missing a hidden Roth advantage. This powerful tax strategy might not last forever. Many successful Americans are unknowingly missing out. Roth IRAs offer incredible tax-free growth potential. However, direct contributions have strict income limits. For 2024, individuals earning over $161,000 face restrictions. Married couples filing jointly hit limits above $240,000. This leaves many high-income earners feeling excluded. But there's a perfectly legal workaround: the backdoor Roth. This strategy allows anyone to access Roth benefits. It involves two simple, distinct financial transactions. First, contribute funds to a traditional IRA account. Ensure this contribution is entirely non-deductible. You cannot claim a tax deduction for this amount. Next, immediately convert these funds into a Roth IRA. This conversion is generally a tax-free event. Since your initial contribution was non-deductible, it's already taxed. You report this process using IRS Form 8606 annually. This form tracks your non-deductible IRA contributions. It proves you've already paid taxes on those specific dollars. The backdoor Roth circumvents income phase-outs effectively. It's a critical tool for long-term tax-free retirement savings. Now for the crucial hidden aspect, the Pro-Rata Rule. This rule impacts individuals with existing traditional IRA balances. It applies to SCP IRAs, simple IRA, and rollover IRAs too. The IRS views all your traditional IRA accounts as one. When converting, a portion is considered pre-tax money. This percentage of pre-tax money becomes taxable upon conversion. For example, if half your IRA is pre-tax, half your conversion is taxed. This can create an unexpected, significant tax bill. Avoid the Pro-Rata Rule by having zero pre-tax IRA money.
Consider rolling existing pre-tax IRAs into a 401k.
This reverse rollover clears your traditional IRA balances. Then you can execute the backdoor Roth strategy smoothly. Always consult a qualified tax professional before proceeding. Missing these details could lead to costly mistakes. The backdoor Roth provides immense tax-free growth. Imagine years of compound interest, all tax-free. This strategy is especially valuable for younger high earners. It secures future tax-free income during retirement. Don't let income limits prevent your financial future. The potential benefits far outweigh the initial complexity. Act now to secure your financial future through this method. This hidden gem offers significant long-term wealth. Maximize your retirement savings with this clever strategy. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.